Hi. It's time to learn about wild animals. Lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, zebra, monkey, bear, wolf, fox, deer, kangaroo, panda, leopard, crocodile, hippopotamus. Your turn. This is a lion. Lion. This is a tiger. Tiger. This is an elephant. Elephant. This is a giraffe. Giraffe. This is a zebra. Zebra. This is a monkey. Monkey. This is a bear. Bear. This is a wolf. Wolf. This is a fox. Fox. This is a deer. Deer. This is a kangaroo. Kangaroo. This is a panda. Panda. This is a leopard. Leopard. This is a crocodile. Crocodile. This is a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Let's review. What wild animal is this? Elephant. What wild animal is this? Zebra. What wild animal is this? Bear. What wild animal is this? Deer. What wild animal is this? Panda. What wild animal is this? Crocodile. What wild animal is this? Fox. What wild animal is this? Lion. What wild animal is this? Monkey. What wild animal is this? Hippopotamus. What wild animal is this? Leopard. What wild animal is this? Kangaroo. What wild animal is this? Wolf. What wild animal is this? Giraffe. What wild animal is this? Tiger. Let's review. Which one is the hippopotamus? This. Which one is the bear? This. Which one is the crocodile? This. Which one is the monkey? This. Which one is the leopard? This. Which one is the zebra? This. Which one is the panda? This. Which one is the giraffe? This. Which one is the kangaroo? This. Which one is the fox? This. Which one is the deer? This. Which one is the tiger? This. Which one is the elephant? This. Which one is the lion? This. Which one is the wolf? This. Last review. Lion. Tiger. Elephant. Giraffe. Zebra. Monkey. Bear. Wolf. Fox. Deer. Kangaroo. Panda. Leopard. Crocodile. Hippopotamus. Good job.
Bye!